Today I'm going to show you how to make a cayenne pepper sauce. It's going to be way better than that Tabasco stuff. First thing you want to do, very simple dish. First step is to take your water and get that dumped into your pot. Next you want to add vinegar, and this is just standard old white household vinegar. And now we're going to add our salt, and this is kosher salt. We're going to add 1 tablespoon and then 1 teaspoon. Next I want to add my chopped up onion. This is just white onion. That goes in. And then I've got 1 very large garlic clove. We're going to take the top off, give it a little smack, remove the paper, give it a light chop, and then drop it into the pot. Next up is going to be our carrots. We've got 3 small carrots. Before we throw them in, we want to peel them. Cut them up just in chunks and then drop them in the pot. Okay, so now that we've got those ingredients into the pot, we need to pay attention to the peppers. Now check out these peppers. These are what are called cayenne peppers. This is a very popular type of pepper. I grow them right in my own garden. They're super easy to grow, and a cayenne pepper plant will give you loads and loads of peppers during the season. But what we need to do is, you don't want to put the stems in there, and there's quite a few seeds, so we're going to take off the very top part of the pepper and then throw the rest of it in whole. Okay, I wanted to give you guys 2 quick tips. Number 1, these peppers are pretty spicy. We were just handling them and holding them. Do not go and touch your eyes or any other body parts. You want to either wear some surgical gloves when you're handling these peppers, or at the very least, make sure you scrub your hands very well in the sink with a lot of soap and water, and then again clean up the cutting board and the knife, because these are hot and they can definitely burn your skin. Another thing is, these are loaded with seeds. When you get to the end here, the reason I'm removing that, because I don't want all those seeds in the pot, but these happen to be heirloom peppers. These are not hybrids, so that means they will grow what's called true to type. So if we take these seeds and make seedlings and then plants, they will put out the exact type of peppers that these are, because they're open pollinated, non-hybrid. So you might as well take some of these seeds and just save them. You let them dry out on a piece of paper towel, on the windowsill in the sun, and now you've got all these seeds to grow more peppers later on, because you're going to love this sauce. Once you try it, you're going to want to make it every year. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes, so we're going to take the lid off. And what's happened is the peppers and the vegetables are starting to really soften up. Now we're going to add our pectin. And just so you know, there's 2 types of pectin. There's a powdered pectin, and then this is a liquid pectin. You can use either one. The object of this pectin is to give this sauce a little body so it's not so runny and watery. Now I'm going to let this cool down to room temperature. Now remember, these ingredients cook for about 45 minutes. I have let them cool down. They're not quite at room temperature, they're still warm, but I want to give you a little disclaimer. Do not try to take it, boil it up like that, and put it in a blender like we're going to do and blend it, because it has a tendency to want to get all over you and you could burn yourself. So now that this is somewhat cool, we're going to dump it right into the blender and then blend it up. Now this is very smooth at this point. What I would like for you to do is to take a little strainer to put it there, because there are going to be a few stray seeds and maybe some pepper skins that you really don't want in there, because it's nice to have a smooth sauce. Take a rubber spatula or the back of a spoon and press the pepper sauce so it comes through. So you can see that I've created maybe 2 quarts, maybe a little less than 2 quarts of a gorgeous cayenne pepper sauce made with peppers right out of my own garden. You can find these peppers just about everywhere this time of year. And again, right into the refrigerator, let it cool off. I can already tell that it's going to have a gorgeous consistency because of that pectin. So now you've got your own awesome hot sauce you can use anytime. And trust me, when your friends taste this, they're going to ask for the recipe.